Morena, kia ora koutou. It's Matua Michael calling from home. One more day or one more morning at home. I'm hopefully going to come into Kura later on. But today's yoga session is all about motivation. Okay, Whakaoho. So it was supposed to be yesterday's yoga session about motivation, but today is all about motivation. So our whakatoki is Mauri tu, Mauri ora. An active soul is a healthy heart. So an active soul is a healthy heart. So all about motivation. So find your spots and let's get started. I'm using my phone today to remind me of what I was supposed to do. So I'm just going to pop that there. All right, and I'll just adjust this so you can see me properly. There we go. Okay. So today we're going to start in standing pose in our mountain. So in our maunga. Okay. Nice and strong. Feeling motivated today. Kissing toes, kissing ankles. Really feeling Papatunuku under your nice tall pose. Standing really tall, really proud. And just take a deep breath in and out. In. Filling up your tummy, and out. And with the next breath in, sunshine arms reaching up. And bringing it down. Just taking a moment here to relax the face, relax the jaw, relax the eyelids if you wish, and let them fall down, closing your eyes and just taking away any visual stimulus and trying to maintain that balance of being really tall, really upright, like a nice strong maunga standing on this wintry day, ready to motivate, ready to be strong, ready to push through anything that might come your way. Okay, we're going to begin our practice in tree pose. So reaching up, and down, level 1, level 2, level 3. Oh, Matua. Not feeling it today. And down. It's really funny. Underneath my foot there's a really uneven piece of earth, and I think that's what's causing me to lose my balance today, which was really interesting. Okay, motivate. Breathing in. Out. In. Out. In, out. In, out. Good work, Koto. Okay, and just releasing the hands to the side. We're now going to take a nice wide stance. Nice and wide. Okay, and we're going to breathe in and arms to the side. And then we're going to tilt to our left side on the breath out. Looking up at our right hand. Breathing in and see if you can push further. Breathing in and seeing if you can push further. Good work. And release. Motivate yourself. Breathing in. Hello, Ranginui. Breathing in. Push further. Breathing in. Oh yeah, that feels good. Nice straight line, straight as you can make it. And then coming up. Your breathing is so important. Breathing through that stretch. Okay. And release. Good stuff. My phone's turned off, so I'm just going to come back to this so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Actually, this is quite good. So nice flat back. So where we were here, breathing in and slowly descending to a nice flat back and forward fold, touching the hands on Papatunuku. Great start. Great start. Okay. And seeing if you could go a little bit wider with your legs. Just heel toe your feet apart. And just pushing through. If you can't reach Papatunuku, you might like to put a book or something there that you can press on. If you have one available. If not, you can always just go to your ankles or knees or hold here. Okay. Right, we're now going to reach up with our arms and put our hands behind our back, interlacing our fingers together and then pushing up to Ranginui, feeling that stretch, shoulder blades together, relaxing the head to the floor and hanging here for 3, 2, toru, and relaxing those hands away from each other back to the earth and heel toe in together slowly. And spine rolling up. Great stuff. And turning on your side. Here we go. We're going to go into airplane mode. So get your feet nice and grounded together. And we're going to forward fold over. Bend your knees slightly. Forward fold over. And arms to the side, breathing in, sorry. And then we're going to let our right foot come up and find that balance. Just steady yourself if you need to, like I'm doing. And then when you're ready, bringing that foot up, trying to make a nice parallel line with Papatunuku. Breathing in. And out. Looking at your reflection. Hands down to the knees. Knees bent and spine rolling up. Good work. Now the left side. Bend the knees. Over, nice straight back. And arms to the side. And releasing that left side, finding that balance, aiming for that straight back, and coming up. Looking at your reflection. And down. Feet together, arms, bend the knees, and slowly rolling up. Well done, everybody. Right, take a step back. We're going to slowly descend to the floor now. Arms out and slowly descending, keeping that back straight. Good stuff. And releasing to the floor for a little bit of a cat-cow here, a bit of a bum wiggle. Okay. Pressing the tops of your feet into the floor. Do your own cat-cow whenever you're ready. Okay. And then we're going to go into our downward dog. Curling the toes underneath. 3, 2, 1, pushing up. Bit of a pedal through there if you need to. Finding some stillness. Taking some breath. And great, coming to plank. Okay. Now, motivation here, people. We're going to lift our right arm and left leg. Bringing your left hand to more center. So you've got balance. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, lift. And down. And other side. Lift and down. Good stuff. And releasing the knees to the floor. And we're going to come back into extended child's pose. So knees apart and coming back. For that nice long stretch. Forehead to the mat. And then spider crawling those fingers up to the seated position. Knees together, nice and tall. And just holding your gratitude in your hand for a moment. We'll just do a little bit of a mindful meditation here where we say thank you. Thank you to yourself for taking this time to motivate. Thank you to your kaiako for helping you and motivating you through your learning. Thank you to your caregivers and parents for motivating you and pushing you to try new things, to be your best. Thank you. Hold that gratitude in your hands. And breathing in, bringing that gratitude into your heart space, bringing it down. Breathing in love and out love. In love and out love. And bowing our heads. Namaste. Aroha Nui. Kia ora koutou. I hope you have a great day today. Motivate yourself, motivate each other in a positive way. Motivate your teachers. Smile. Go well. Love you all. Like I said to you earlier, I will probably be at Kura hopefully around 11 o'clock. Try and finish off these auditions and make some announcements and maybe get the cast of Moana all together. So, kia ora koutou, have a great day.